I'm excited to share a brand new feature in VerbaGPT with you today. Previously, we've seen how we can connect to a CSV file source, we can drag and drop a file, or connect to a SQL Server installation so that you can use relational data together with the LLM. We've just added cloud, and we've chosen Snowflake for it because of its awesome ability to on performance, scale, and also that it opens the window to the three big cloud providers: Amazon, Google, Microsoft. So here we have added our credentials. It's pretty simple, keeping in theme with making VerbaGPT as simple as possible. So we have our connection string here, and then I clicked on test connection, and here I have the connection has succeeded. I have my Snowflake sample data, and then I'm going to go simply to the talk page. It says ready to talk, cloud connection, and I'm going to ask a question of the sample data. Give me the total number of customers. I know there's a table called, I think, customer in the sample data. I'm not an expert in the sample data, but I think I can ask a couple of questions here to demonstrate VerbaGPT working with Snowflake. So it's using GPT-4, so it takes a little while to process. So here we go. So here's some code. So as you can see, the code is still going to be in very readable, very high-level code. Even if you don't really know Python, you can still kind of read it. Total number of customers is 150,000, so that's great. The code looks correct. So I'm going to increase the level of difficulty here a little bit. I'm going to ask now, give me the total account balance for customers by nation key. I know there's a field called nation key, which is like numbers, and I want to grab the name of so grab name of nation as well. So the name of the nation is in a separate table. And the hope is that VerbaGPT behind the scene can make the connections, because the LLM never has direct access to the data. The LLM can't access it. So VerbaGPT has to look at the user query, try to understand it, make the connection behind the scene, and then feed the LLM specific instructions to be able to write the code, and do it in a way where those instructions are controlled completely by the user. So here we have the code. So as you can see, it's using, it figured out that it needed to grab this other table called nation and grab the nation name. So it looks correct. So let me execute it. And here we go. So we have this nice little table here. Let's make it even nicer. So this is an editable code window. So I can just print out my data frame, and here we have it. So we had that nation key with the numbers. It was able to grab the nation name. It was able to grab the total balance by customer. So this was a quick demonstration of VerbaGPT working with Snowflake. I think this is super exciting. So far we've seen the ability of LLMs really in writing, but now we're starting to see, especially with apps like VerbaGPT, the ability to work with structured data, tabular data, and especially with VerbaGPT to be able to work with not just relational database, but relational database at scale. And that's why I'm really excited to share this demonstration of Snowflake, because it really opens a window to sort of mass scale usage of compute operations using an LLM. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know of any thoughts or feedback, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.